Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi sir, back again with me Ilham Fadillah Ahmad, a student at the Global Institute. In this video segment, I will explain about this product on hardware, and I choose the joystick as my choice because I have used often. Therefore, I choose a joystick for review. Joystick. A joystick, or also known as a control lever, is a computer input device in the form of a lever or stick and can be moved in any direction. While games pedals are generally in the form of a box or square made of plastic and equipped with buttons that will regulate the motion of an object in motion computer. In addition, this tool can also transmit 2D or 3D direction on a computer, and this tool is generally used as complement to playing a video game that is equipped with more than one button. This joystick is a direct pointing device. On the joystick, there are generally buttons that can be selected or associated with the keyboard. Joystick began to be known in the 20th century. At the time, the name joystick was interpreted as an airplane control stick. Joystick, or in Indonesian known as the control lever, is a computer input device in the form of lever that can move in all directions. This tool can transmit direction in 2 or 3 dimensions on a computer. Then the joystick developed into an electric device. The two-axis joystick was invented in 1944 in Germany, and then the device was developed to direct the Hansel bombing kite against the ship's target. In 1967, Ralph Baer, creator of the television video game and Magnavox, then created the first video game using 2 potentiometers to measure position and an analog joystick. And around 1985 to 1986, people become more familiar with the term joystick through video games, which at that time were popular with Nintendo and Sega games. Along with the rapid development of technology, joysticks were developed into computer device. Joystick function consists of several kinds, namely 1. The complement to playing video games equipped with more than one buttons. 2. To control in video games. 3. Joystick are also widely implemented in machines such as motorized wheelchairs and trucks. So that's a brief explanation of the meaning of joystick, its history and function. That's all from me. Moral of the story, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.